So this is a very interesting retelling, reimagination of the Inspector Jamshed.
A lot of stunt, a lot of action scenes.
We've been through many, a hard time.
This is something the region hasn't seen before.
We're still alive, still surviving.
All those people who were avid readers of literature, they're going to come back to cinema. This is an invitation for them.
Our roots are connected to the Urdu fiction that was written by Ishtiaq Ahmed. And I wish, more than the economics, if we are able to create another Ishtiaq Ahmed from Pakistan, it would be a great success story, at least for us.
I just hope that everyone, whoever watches the movie, just leaves the cinema with a smile.
The war is coming.